Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to draw a teddy bear. Drawing a teddy bear is very easy. First you have to draw a circle and a semicircles on a side by side to draw ears of a bear. Okay, let me know who loves teddy bear. Now draw two sixes down to the circle and other big two sixes. See, our teddy bear is near about to be ready. Giving some short details. Now it's time to draw face features. Draw eyes of a bear and a circle to draw mouth. Draw a nose and two lines which makes the mouth of a teddy bear. Fill it the eyes. Our teddy bear is looking so good. Now it's time to draw a tail. Let's color. Which color of teddy bear you like? I like the brown one. So let's color the brown in the teddy bear. Hope you find this video useful. Okay, while coloring, let me know which size of a teddy bear do you like. I like the small ones, like I have drawn in this video. And which color of a teddy bear do you have? I have many teddy bears, but I love to sleep with the brown one. Do you sleep with the teddy bear? Oh, that's good. See, our teddy bear is near about to be completed. Keep coloring. You can color as you like. Our drawing is completed. Hope you like the video. Bye bye. Take care.